Hello everyone. Now I will show you how to make a CAD system Gizmo's mirrors. So yes, we need a simple system. So that's why I have created a script for that. Okay, first download this file and unpack it. After that, copy these files. There are two files and the one README. You can open the README file. It will guide you. So first you should uh, copy your file to following paths. Yes, there are it should be your username, so don't forget about that. Okay, let's copy these usernames. First of them it's macros. I will put here and will drop drop and drag and drop my file here. So it's copied. I should copy the second file to following paths. Sorry. Okay, I will copy file to here. Okay, let's open the 3ds Max and wait it. Okay, I started 3ds Max. So first of all, we need uh, set up our script. For that, we should open menu editor and enter two quads. We should select tools 2 and there we can see cat tools. Here you can add our mirror gizmo system. So we should find mirror gizmo. So we can add to here. Already I have that, so I can delete unnecessary mirror gizmo script. Okay, all of that done. We can save. So after that, we can, for example, add gizmo, and we can create its mirror by simple way. So thank you very much. Good luck.